You searched how to buy shares of 10 Holdings Inc. 10 Holdings Inc. trades on NASDAQ under the ticker XHLD and is a publicly listed company. This video is educational only and not investment advice. You must use a broker to buy XHLD. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker XHLD to locate the listing. Make sure you select the result that matches 10 Holdings Inc. on NASDAQ. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for XHLD. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure this is the correct stock. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled or executed at next market open. And if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before completion. Your new position will appear in the portfolio once the trade is processed. Check the description for the link to the platform shown in this tutorial.